You guys have been asking me about how to remove late payments from your credit report and how to remove an account because of the late payments. Now that's exactly what we're going to go over, and you're going to want to make sure you stay till the end of this, because not only am I going to give you the key to removing these, but also how to dispute them. This is the same exact process that I used on my husband's credit report, and I got him approved for over $1.5 million in less than 11 months. You need to do it persistently, and you need to know exactly what you are doing. So let's get to it. Now we have a fake payment history right here. We have Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. This is what it's going to look like on your credit report when you check the payment history. We have January through May, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. Take a look at your credit report. You're probably going to see something very similar, where only a couple of the months match up. I'm also going to tell you exactly how to dispute this if all the payment history matches up. For January 2021, 30 days late, 30 days late. For February, we have 30, okay, 30. For March and for April, it is exactly the same. 60 days late, and then okay. And then May, okay, okay, 90. Now, obviously, everything outside of March and April is going to be considered inaccurate. This is false reporting. If this information is coming from the same creditor, the same data furnisher, how is it different? Human error, I don't care. What I care about is negative accounts. Normally you can find something to remove that account. That's all I care about. So what we're going to do, and I have a full dispute reason here, and we're just going to plug the information in, and we are using the AERRO formula: action, justifier, element, reason, outcome. I've removed over 50,000 negative items using this same exact formula. This isn't about disputing online, using the illegal identity theft method. This isn't about saying that something doesn't belong to you, okay? This is about legally and permanently removing these so you can increase that credit score, get the mortgage, get the credit card, do all these things holding you back. Pay attention and do this the right way. So what we're going to do is we're going to use that AERRO formula, and it is very simple. Okay, remove this account for inaccuracy and false reporting because the payment history reflects, and then we're going to plug the information in for the month of, start with January. We are starting with January because it is the oldest late payment on our history. January 2021 is reported as 30 days late on Experian, 30 days late on Equifax, and on time for TransUnion. This is not the same payment history, and therefore I cannot report like this. Now, pausing there, we use the late payments to remove the entire account. However, if you want to dispute one late payment to update the entire account or to remove this one late payment, you're not going to use the word remove. You're going to say, update this account to paid on time, never late for inaccuracy because this payment history report says blah, blah, blah. Okay. Now, we're going to do the same exact thing. If this doesn't work, we're going to go and we're going to dispute the next one. If this doesn't work, we're going to dispute the next one. If that doesn't work, we're going to hit them for the failure to enter the notice of dispute, because 9 times out of 10, they're not going to do that. Now, you may be thinking, how are they going to verify this is accurate if it is not accurate? How can they verify this is accurate when it's obviously not? We're looking at facts. They do not want to remove this from your credit report. They want to keep you subprime. They want to keep your credit score lower because they make more money off of your lower score. Because the data furnisher, the creditor, can now charge you higher interest. They obtain, maintain, and sell your information over to these. They have zero incentive to remove it from your credit report. You can dispute something 100% inaccurate and it comes back as verified. You need to know how to dispute something verified as accurate. I have a workshop for that. Go check it out. Now, we're going to dispute the next one. This is going to say February reports as 30 days late on Experian, okay on Equifax, 30 Union. This is how you write your dispute reason. All you're doing is plugging the information into this dispute reason. Does that make sense? Why does this seem so simple? It's because it is. You just need to know where to start, what to say, how to say it, and with whom. Yes, I know I make it sound, it's because I've been doing this for 12 years. I'm going to get better and faster results, right? To get your credit score higher. You need to invest the time to learn how to do this, and then when you do, you will get results. I have a course coming out. Use the link in the description to drop your interest for. If you want to express your interest, use the link, and when I'm done with the course, which is either this weekend or Monday, you'll be notified. Remember, use the word update or remove this late payment instead of remove this account. For removing the entire account, say remove or delete. Now, what if we have multiple late payments and they're just a bunch of them? Unfortunately, there's no way to correct that, okay? We can correct this because it's 100% inaccurate. But if it's 30, 30, 30, 60, 60, 60, 20, blah, 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 we're not gonna be able to fix that. 120 cannot be fixed unless it is a student loan and it reports as no 30, no 60, beginning at 90 or 120. That we can do. Outside of that, we cannot do that. If you do see a ton of late payments on your credit report, unfortunately, you need to look at it and decide, do I keep it because of the age and because it's paid, or do I remove it and increase my credit score by adding other things and maintaining them, okay? Keep that in mind. Now, to the key. This is the reason why you are able to remove late payments from your credit report. Anything other than a data furnisher giving you a copy of their bank statement proving when you did or did not pay late is hearsay, right? Where's your proof? That is the key to understanding how to go after late payments. That is why late payments can be removed. If you want a more in-depth explanation about late payments, different examples, real-life examples such as credit report examples versus the letters that go out, make sure that you not only smash that like, but post a comment and let me know. I will create that video. Have a great day. If you need help, use the link at the top of the screen, my740.com, or call 844-336-9740, and I will see if I can help. That is it for today. This was how to remove late payments from your credit report and how to deal with late payments. I hope you have a wonderful day.